kid. Oh wow. Alright. Follow Papa. Here, hold him. I got your hand. Wow, yeah, baby.
Our fair ship, the Columbia, was one of the first American vessels
look around,
to explore the Pacific Northwest.
Wow,
It was
that's
in
cool, huh?
1792 that this very ship braved the sandbar and discovered
Wow,
an iceberg,
yeah.
which we named the Columbia.
Come this way.
After the
Look
first
at-
ship to sail the
Look at the rooms, baby.
Hey, he says he wants to go back up already.
Okay. Here, Emma, this way.
What's the Iron Man?
Here, let's look up here, baby. Oh, wow, honey, look at. Wow.
Food.
Yeah. That's cool, huh? Wow, honey. All right, let's go this way. This way.
Just ahead is the most treacherous
Oh, wow,
part
look
of
at
our
the
journey.
beaver pelts.
That island off the starboard
fur.
side often hides the scourge of the seas.
Wow.
Thirsty pirates. They sometimes lie in wait to attack a passing ship such as ours and steal its bounty.
Let's go look down here.
Salmon! And starboard forecastle cannon and prepare to fire
Oh, look at this stove, baby.
Any curious
This is a
pirates
stove.
lying near the shore will know we are well armed. Those of you round the
No.
cannon must be stepping back.
Not at all,
Way
buddy.
back.
It's cool.
For the cannon should be a mite loud, and the gunners aim.
The cannon's gonna go off. Look at the kitchen.
Be ready to fire one.
Here goes the cannon. Boom.
Now that should put some fear in them. Looks like we're safe for now.
Oh, wow, hold on.
We don't want the Jolly Roger
Hold on.
on this fine ship.
Ooh, there's a stew cooking.
Come here. Fishy.
It's got fish head in the stew.
Oh, wow.
That's cool.
Look at that treasure chest.
Yeah, the treasure chest. Oh, you guys go ahead.
Sorry,
Okay,
guys.
no, you're good. No worries. All right, you got it?
Mom, come here.
I'll take Emma. Careful, Mama. Daddy's coming. Huh? Okay, Emma, careful,
When we
baby.
travel this far upriver, our ship often draws the
Oh,
attention
yeah,
of the
I
local
see
tribes. Look there. The chief has given us a sign of peace, which means we will be granted safe passage.
Oh, yeah, baby. That's cool. Yeah, we'll get some. Oh, let's go the other side. Here, Papa's over here, baby. Come on. Oh, careful. Oh, look at the deer, babe. Emma, look. See it?
In the cabin.
And the baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's really cool.
Just ahead, a tribe of Plains Indians has set up camp by the